Good morning. This is a video of the cabin that I'm staying in, and I think it'd be really cool to build this one day. So here's the layout. Here's your front door. This is a bug mesh, which is nice. And this room, it's just a square, which is kind of neat to have your chill space right there, which I enjoy reading and hanging out there. Kitchen. This is the refrigerator. There is solar panels on the roof, and that provides the electricity. So there's no other source of electricity. That's where the batteries are kept, and the inverter. And then that's the hardware for the solar panel. This is the bathroom. And in here it seems to be all made out of this material here. I'm not sure what this is. This is like a concrete floor. Cool. And a cool little shower. Now there is hot water in the shower. It comes from a gas propane heater just on the other side of this wall. So that's real nice. Have the hot water. This is the bedroom. The mosquito net for the bed, which is nice. If you see up here, that's open air. So I believe you could really improve on this, as well as up there, that's open air, by simply installing these screens right here. Up there around the perimeter, and up there around that capstone. I think that because this is a rental cabin, just some of the corners were cut, but ideally that's what you'd want to do, because that's where the bugs can get in. So it's just an access point for the bugs, and hence why you would want something like this. So, just taking notes for myself, how to build one of these. I love the ceiling. It's really, really well designed, and it's just nice to look at. These rafters here, they're jointed, they're joined together, okay, like that, which is a nice cut. And then bolted together to make a nice long sturdy beam. You can see all these long beams have been spliced to extend their length. I'm at the southern tip of the Osla Peninsula. The ocean is in the background. It's about 100 yards that way. So, this cabin is pretty cool. One other little thing that's kind of neat is this little safe box that's built into the house, which is, neat, but I think that you're so isolated out here that really I don't know, I guess you can't be too safe, so it's good to have a safe.